I don't know if you know this, I'm always on the lookout for some steam whistles. But the guy I was talking to you about, the drunk cook up in Canada, he sent me down some steam whistles. What do you think? Finally got some. I'm always on the search for them. A lot of people in America never get to come across them, but I did.